Don't look at the freaking state of me, but I've just got my mouth off. And I've been so excited to try it, and I've not even washed my hair today, so I'm hoping I got some goodies in here to wash it. So, oh, that's nice. The exfoliating mitt. Oh, it's like a glove actually. We got the clip. Don't know what that is. It's a bit for washing your face. A little brush. Oh my gosh! Some shampoo and conditioner. Let's smell it. Oh, it's sealed. I'm gonna need to open it to smell it. Oh, there's loads of stuff. Oh, can I get it open? Oh my god, what the? Oh Jesus. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna win the day. Oh my god, it smells great. I can't wait to use it. I might actually do a video actually be using it. Conditioner. Oh, I'm gonna take the seal off it anyway. What's that? I'm a bit confused. Why is there? That's clearly not the right lid. But then there's only that. That's obviously for that. Nothing fits right. No. Oh, that's a great lid. And some hand scrub? No, why is it lip scrub? Lip scrub. Smell it. What is this? Hair serum, sorry. And heat spray. Yeah, so put it back in. I'm gonna try them today. Definitely. That's another Disney one. Maybe that's for that actually. Oh, that's for that.